Hi guys, today I'll share with you how to hide row and column in Excel. Have a look. I'm writing here something Android, Roku, web and copy it and paste. If you want to hide the E column, how to do that? Just click the E column and right click on it and click hide. Have a look, E column is hide. Similarly, if you want to do it with two column, suppose F and J column. So select the F and J column and right click on it and click hide. Have a look, F and J column is hide. But if you want to hide from L column up to end column, but you do not know here how many columns are present. So how to do that? Have a look. Just click the L column and press Ctrl Shift right arrow button in your keyboard. Have a look, all column is selected and right click on it and click hide. Have a look, all column is hide. So similarly, if you want to do it with row, how to do that? Just select the row, just select a row and press Ctrl Shift down arrow button in your keyboard. Have a look, all row is selected and right click on it, click hide. Have a look, all row is hide. If you have any question, please write in comment box. I'll try to solve it. So thanks for your watching. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.